Hey everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Before we get started today, it's giveaway time. So if you want to be entered to win your choice of comfy cruiser from my website, all you got to do is like the video, be subscribed, leave a comment in the comment section down below, and follow me on Instagram, and you'll automatically be entered to win. All right, today's video was pretty interesting. I didn't have my kayak with me. I was joining my buddy Jacob out on the water. We had a blast out there. It was the first time I rode tandem with him. He's been telling me to ride with him for a long time now. Finally pulled the trigger and made it happen. So don't want to spoil too much, but there's also a catch and cook at the end of the video, so I hope you enjoy that, and I hope you enjoy the action out on the water. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, bro, I don't know why we didn't think of this. This is a play, man. You do that, I jig. Ferda. I got jigging. Yeah, they're freaking really nice. Yeah, something at the surface. Probably those little kavas or something.
Hey, we're on bait over here.
Raj, you guys catching?
I hooked one but came off.
That's better than what I got. I'm on my way.
You still marking them?
Yep, I'm on.
Nice, bro. Oh yeah, it's the golden ticket right there. My guy. Welcome to two guys, one yak. Jacob's going for the bait. I'm going for big chungus.
Oh, dude, those are definitely Shibi.
Really?
I can feel their presence.
Dude, there's a predator mark at 40.
Yeah, man.
50.
Oh,
Get him, boy!
He's got a jig.
Dude, right as I said that.
Oh, he's burning.
That's a big boy. What do you think it is?
They're pushing them around. That's why they're not fucking right.
Yeah.
Let me get a little bit further away from you. If there's one, there's like fucking 10, 15. Oh, there's a
That's a big fish, bro. This might be a big ubula.
You think?
Yeah. Knock off the drag a bit.
Where'd you go?
Wow, we're control American champion.
What?
I just saw something fucking huge.
Dude, there's a predator mark right in the middle of them. I don't know if that's you.
That could be. I'm probably like 100 feet down.
Yeah, that's it. You're bringing them up, though. You brought them up from 45 up to 25.
There's leader. Oh, kahala.
Oh, big haul.
That's a donkey.
Yeah.
Chonky Kong.
Holy moly, dude. That's on the bigger end, huh?
Yeah, that's one of my bigger ones.
Not quite as big as that.
This might be this might be my biggest, actually.
That's why them motherfuckers ain't biting, because them donkeys is chasing them everywhere.
Okay, let me take your picture, bro. All right, how's that?
That's a fatty.
Jive Fishing Co Vibe 160. Yeah, buddy. Rocking the tandem with my dogs. All right. Nice morning workout.
Okay.
Get away from our bait, you fuck. You want to reach out right there with the fiber on there?
Can you do that? Like I'm so used to how mine is.
Pile up top. I'm just gonna hook them. What the fuck?
That's funny, dude. Just chomp. He got a little kava and it just got chopped right in half. It might be Ono.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
That's a pretty clean cut, man.
Or a shark.
It could have been. Hard to say. I feel like shark is a little bit more chewed up though. Like that's pretty clean. Yep. Come on, going on the jig. Let's go.
Got him?
Oh, dropped him.
Came off?
Yeah.
They're thick.
You know it's been a rough couple months when you feel like some accomplishment catching an aha.
Dude, yeah, there's a big pile like from 15.
Oh yeah?
And predators.
I like that.
Dude, they're so fresh.
Yep.
Hey!
That's something good. That's a tuna. Yeah, buddy.
Am I hooked onto you?
I have no idea, but I got a fish on.
Dude, God damn it. That's what that was, man.
This is a good fish. Might need the Kage or gaff here for this. This is something good. My leader. Not anymore. Yeah, clear lines if can. Okay, he's at the front. He's under us.
Oh,
Shibi.
Bring him up to the right side.
Yeah. Oh, he's coming left. Trying to steer him around. Kava?
Kava.
You wanna let him go or keep him?
Let's chuck it.
Yeah. One of my biggest on the jig. Oh, radio the guys, see if anybody wants it. Oh yeah! That's a good one.
Anyone want a kava?
Yeah? I'm on my way.
That's a good one, bro. Oh yeah. How's that?
Yes.
Yeah, fishing cool vibe. Oh yeah, bro.
You get him on a live bait?
Jig.
Fuck yeah, mate.
Yeah, buddy. Hell yeah, bro. Thanks for giving me the intel.
The jig, eh? That's fucking cool, man. I'm coming over there. There ain't nothing but fucking trash fish over here.
Here, hold on to it. Just give it a little tug. That feels a little heavier than an opelu, no?
Kinda.
Can we check on it?
I feel like it might be a aha.
There. Doesn't feel like you're reeling in an opelu, huh?
Not really.
We've just been trolling an aha around.
Yup. His tail's all
Might as well, I'll still cruise him.
yeah. Who's this? Probably my wife. You know,
My wife.
that's good. Just let him go.
Fuck. It's alright. It's all tangled. I think he's gone.
That's good, that's good.
Okay.
Don't need to go anymore. Let him take it.
Shark?
I don't know, you're on though. You wanna fight him? You wanna fight him?
Sure.
Feel him on there or no?
Yeah,
You can go to full, because full is only going to be maybe 10 pounds. Because I didn't click the thing.
it's still gonna feel very heavy.
Could be a uku maybe.
Could be. You don't see it?
Oh, I think that's uku.
Uku?
I think so. There's a whole bunch of right now below us. Oh, we're tangled in this. Oh, yeah, hell yeah, bro. Let's go. Yeah, it's not that bad though. That's a school of uku. That's what it is.
Not bad, don't tangle.
It's hooked on something though. It might be the rudders maybe. It's free. Hell yeah, bro. Look at
Fuck yeah,
that. Let's go, buddy. All right, that's redemption on the dead bait, bro. Let's get a fucking ahi now. We'll give it a little more go and then we'll full send. 10,000 feet. There he is.
Oh, yeah, boy. Get him. Your GoPro on?
Yeah.
Uku? Uku. He was actually pretty far off the bottom, huh?
This thing was scrappy.
There wasn't anything on my graph when he went there.
It actually might be an uku.
Dude, double uku, one on a bait, one on a jig. That's a sick video.
I don't know. That's kind of acting more like a tuna now. With the
You hit him pretty middle water.
yeah, he was up there.
Shibi. Yellowfin this time, not
Yeah, I think this is tuna. Where he's fighting. He's kind of doing his circles.
See him shallow?
Yeah, he's over here.
Yeah, I see yellow.
Yeah, I think that's a little Shibi.
Football. Just gonna grab it.
Oh yeah!
Oh.
Yeah, buddy! Bro, jig is action today. Let's go.
Very nice.
He's in his natural state. All I have to do is tell him where they're at. He drops, and he's doing good. I told you this would work good, bro. You didn't believe me. You're like, I want to increase my chances in my own kayak.
Bro, the vibe has been killing it today, man. Jet Fishing Co Vibe 160. Look at that. Hell yeah. I love it.
I love it too, man. 20 to 45.
Is there a bait ball?
They look like maybe kavas.
Should be this color. There he is.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, I dropped him. Oh, no, he's there. He was just a little one, that's why.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Sharp shooting for tuna.
Dude, we're a team, bro. Little guy?
Yeah, he's not very big. If anything, probably around the same size as the last one.
Yeah.
Maybe a bit smaller.
Right at 45, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. Dude, you're savage. I can see those little tail kicks. Definitely see them.
Yeah.
You reef them up pretty quick.
Gotta
huh?
keep them pinned. Yeah, with these tunas, you gotta keep them pinned. Oh, shit, bro.
Oh!
Come on. Yeah. Bro, no f***ing way. That felt so much like a tuna, dude.
That's a-
Hell yeah.
Okay, I'm marking that.
Hell yeah, bro. Bro, the vibe. The vibe is the vibe. Hell yeah.
Here, get that hook out of his mouth, it might drop. Oh no, you'll be stuck over there.
Oh, come on in. Look at that. And the Vibe 160. Crushing it today.
There we go, sir. Black
Yeah,
line
just
ball.
like that is fine. Yeah, it's more of a slow pitch jig, so you want to give it time to flutter a bit. You can work it quick too, but if you're seeing stuff on the bottom, I would just do this. Could be nice goats down there. Whatever floats your goat. That's some good chips, my guy.
Ah, fuck. I can't even get it out, dude.
Back up.
What is that? Big tuna?
Could be. Could be
Here,
alright.
Here, I'll get it. Here.
You don't want to fight it?
You got it, dude. Get in the fight scene. So much for going deep.
Yeah, that didn't make it very far.
Doesn't feel very big.
Hard to tell because we're drifting towards it.
Still on?
Yeah, he's still on. I don't know if he thinks. I don't think he knows he's hooked yet, to be honest. Yeah, let's go a mile out. This fish had other plans.
Feel very big, huh?
No.
Yeah, that drag just must, like you said.
It's loose. Yeah.
You get some line though. Tuna?
Kind of feels like it, yeah. He's gonna grow 200 pounds.
Dude, you can see I still have the knock circle book brain the way I sent that.
Yeah, it's hard to change like that. You basically just let him freaking have it. You don't do nothing. It's kind of nice.
I was mad at myself when I first checked it. I was like, ah.
The thing is though, is I have it set so loose that it doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
Like you even moving it up to strike almost. Like even strike is probably like 6-7 pounds of drag, not even. It's coming up. Sure. No, he just got really light. And what is this? I don't know, bro. This feels awfully like my Ono I missed the other day. The way it's at the surface like that.
Can't see him.
You want to clear this bait rod?
Try to land him on the far side if you can.
Long. Oh no, it's a tuna.
Kahala?
Tuna. Shibi. Not huge, but maybe
Bigger one.
15, 20 pound class. Bro, the way he was going at the surface like that was tripping me out.
Yeah. I thought it was a tuna when I saw him.
Well, yeah, the first initial everything up until he started going peeling out that way.
Dude, the Ahi did that 3 times.
Really?
Yeah.
That's trippy. Hell yeah, bud! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! My guy! Dynamic duo.
Yeah, dude.
Good, bro. Vibing, boy. The boys be vibing today. Hell yeah, man. My guy. All right. How's that? It's Shibi? 20 pounder, something like that? We're about to send it out deep, and then this guy said, no, I'm gonna take your opelu, please. Yeah, buddy. Dream team. Get out of there. Gotta get out of there.
Can't, dude. Oh, shit. Dude, no way.
You want me to keep going?
Here, you fight it. Why? It's a fighting seat, bro.
Oh, alright.
Pressure on it.
Is it in high gear right now?
Low gear, right. Be careful
Can you
with
turn
that.
on?
You can put it on high if you need it. You just press that little lever.
Don't rip us towards it. Just like, I meant just turn me. Don't pedal towards them. I think it came off. I can't tell, bro. I don't fucking know, bro. I'm confused. I don't think it's... I have no idea. I think there's something on here.
Yeah, there's something on there.
Little tuna.
Fuck yeah, dude. You can get him?
Just be careful. Be really careful. He's hooked good, so. No way, bro!
I can't believe that worked, dude.
Bro, there's no way that freaking worked. Careful, I don't want him to thrash, bro. You don't want to get a treble in the leg. Yeah, worry about that later. Bro, I can't believe that worked. On the downrigger, the plug. Bro, what the hell is going on? This is so
Dream
funny.
team, dude. That's what's going on.
I can't believe that freaking worked, bro.
That's sick.
That's so funny. Bro, this is the new meta. I like jigging, baby. Scrappy little papillo, probably.
Yeah, no spot.
Oh,
Oh, shit.
That's funny.
What did you say?
I said you're a hack. Kid's hacking farts, bro.
Jared hooked up to a yellow spot papillo.
Didn't land it, bro.
And it got it right up the boat, and then he dropped it.
Useless. Alright, folks. That's the day. Thank you, Jacob, for your hospitality.
Yes, sir.
5-star review on Yelp, guaranteed. Google reviews. This guy's the guy right here. You want to go jigging, hit him up. Hey, bud.
Just buy some jigging setups or taking $1,000 a trip.
I mean, all in all, that was an action-packed day. It was very diverse in the species and the way that we caught them. The opelu bite was tough. What did we get, 2?
2 opelu.
Yeah, 2 opelu. Went 2 for 2 on them, which was huge. Nice Shibi, nice kawakawa. The jig was action this morning. And then the hook up on the lure. The jerry-rigged system there, that was
I
unreal.
was stoked on that.
That was pretty cool. And it kind of slowed down after that, honestly. Seemed like last time a bit, where the afternoon came and things kind of died down. But all in all, man, that was a freaking awesome day. Good times with the boys.
Check out, yeah, we should go get your shirts.
Get your merch. All right, till next time. Can I get a yeah, buddy?
Yeah, buddy.
That's going in the videos. Fucker. Fucking ass.